Welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be discussing some previous year questions on nucleophile and electrophile. A detailed video on nucleophile and electrophile has been already posted in my channel. I'll give the link in the description box. You can go through it. The first question is the correct statement regarding electrophile is. Okay, so they have asked you the correct statement regarding electrophile. So what are electrophiles? Electrophiles are either positively charged species or neutral molecules which are electron deficient in nature. So by seeing the options we can find out the correct statement. See here, electrophile is a negatively charged species, which is completely wrong because electrophiles are positively charged species or neutral molecules which is electron deficient in nature, and nucleophiles are negatively charged species. So therefore this is wrong. Option B is electrophiles are generally neutral species and can form a bond by accepting a pair of electron from a nucleophile. And C, electrophile can be either neutral or positively charged species and can form a bond by accepting a pair of electron from nucleophile. So if you see these two options, so what is electrophile? It is positively charged species or neutral molecules which is electron deficient in nature. So option C is correct. And if you see option D, it is here too, it is given as it is negatively charged species. So therefore it is wrong. Now the second question. Which of the following statement is not correct for a nucleophile? Okay, first question we have discussed about electrophile. Now this question is for nucleophile. So nucleophile is Nu minus. So this is either a negatively charged species or the molecules or atoms which contain lone pair of electrons. So this is nucleophile. Now if you see the first option, ammonia is a nucleophile. Okay, so when I take ammonia NH3, so this one it has a pair of lone pair of electron. So therefore this option is correct. Second is nucleophile attack low electron density sites. So nucleophiles are electron rich in nature. So therefore they'll attack what? Low electron density sites. So therefore this option is also correct. Third is nucleophiles are not electron seeking. Yeah, nucleophiles, they are already electron rich, therefore they won't seek electrons. This is also correct. And fourth is nucleophile is a Lewis acid. So what is Lewis acid? Lewis acid are the species which act as an electron acceptor. But nucleophile is not an electron acceptor, it is an electron donor. So therefore this statement is wrong and this is your correct option. Okay, next question is, which of the following species is not electrophilic in nature? So what are electrophiles? Electrophiles are electron deficient species. They are electrophiles. So when I take a Cl plus, okay, so it gives out one electron to become the Cl plus. So therefore if it get the electron, it will come to its neutral state. So therefore this is an electrophile. And now when I take BH3, when I consider the orbital of boron, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So it has one electron in the p orbital and other two orbitals are empty. It can easily get the electrons because it has vacant orbital. So this is electron deficient in nature, therefore this is also electrophile. Now when I take this H3O plus, So we know that oxygen, it has 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair. So now since it is H3O plus, it is having a positive charge as well as what? An electron, lone pair of electron. So I can't say this as an electron deficient species because it has an extra lone pair of electron. So therefore this is not an electrophile. H3O plus is not an electrophile. Same way if I take NO2. Okay, so when I take NO2, so here since it has a positive charge and nitrogen, it has 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. So here since it has a positive charge, there is no lone pair of electrons, so therefore it is electron deficient in nature. So among 4, H3O plus is not an electrophile because it has a lone pair of electron in it. Next question is for I minus, Cl minus, Br minus, the increasing order of nucleophilicity would be. So they have given 3 ions here. They have asked you the increasing order of nucleophilicity. So what are nucleophiles? Nucleophiles are electron rich species and they can donate electron. They act as electron donors. So they have asked you about the order of nucleophilicity. So which one will act as a better electron donor? Okay, so we need to find it out. So this depends on the size. So when I arrange these ions in order of increasing size, it will be chloride ion, bromide ion and iodide ion. So if I see here, the size of iodide ion will be the largest one among these 3, and if the size increases, what happens to the attraction? The attraction will decrease. So an electron can be removed easily, that is this electron can be donated easily as the attraction between the nucleus and the electron decreases. It can be given out easily. So nucleophilicity will also increase in this order of size. So as size increases, nucleophilicity will also increase. So the same order is for nucleophilicity. So your correct option is A.